Hello everyone, welcome to TechFix Tutorial YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recall or replace a sent email in Microsoft Outlook. Sometimes we send an email by mistake, and this feature can really save us. Before we start, keep in mind that this feature works only if both you and the recipient are using Microsoft Exchange or Microsoft 365 accounts. The email was sent from the Outlook desktop app Windows, and most importantly, the recipient has not opened the email yet. Step 1. Open Outlook and go to Sent Items. Step 2. Double-click the email you want to recall to open it. Step 3. On the top ribbon, go to the Message tab Gives Actions. Gives recall this message. Step 4. You'll see two options. Delete unread copies of this message. Delete unread copies and replace with a new message. I'll choose the Any option to recall the mail. Outlook will now notify you whether the recall was successful or not. But remember, if the recipient already opened the email, the recall won't work. So that's how you can easily recall or replace a sent email in Outlook. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.